Here's the final one here. Heading back to the car. Hope you enjoyed it. I don't know, 8th night. That's nice and pale. Last time I was down, a bunch of music down here, but we'll swing ourselves around. Hopefully I can see my favorite vehicles, Snow White, but I didn't see her last year. She might be back that way. I don't know. I saw her last time over here one time, but I think it depends where you can park it. We're over by the grandstand over here. We were here for the pre-eating for the Minnesota State Fair. I had the bacon. That was pretty good. I might get some music over here. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna get some music, but oh well. It's the way it goes. You can't, you know, when you're around this kind of behavior, it's the way she goes. So, as you can tell, find my food. Yeah, you get, that's a nice vehicle right there. Little Beach Boys, nothing can spine. Over here they got the, when they have the corn over here, they got all kinds of lemonade over here and stuff. So I think they got the Sky thing going. Skyrider's going. That's a smart move. Look at this bad boy over here. Look at this gangster one right in front of us there, you guys. Look at that thing. That's a nice vehicle right there. Got a wagon over there. Look at that bad boy. That wagon over there. Look at that gangster car. Oh my goodness. Impala SS, obviously. Nice. It's too bad. Oldest they can go is 64. The last time I was here, last year, Hippie Hideout Garage. There we go, look at that bad boy. Nice. That's nice. I like that. Oh yeah, nice. This is a nice one. Look at this. Huh. Very nice. There must be a trunk he put in there. I'll have spray painted that blue. Nice wagon here. Nice. Falcon wagon. Nice. You would never see one. It's a Falcon. It's a Falcon wagon.
It's a Falcon with a pony wagon.
Yep.
Ah.
The knockoff version of the Impala, the Galaxy Ford. That was their. There's another one over here. For sale. 800. Oh, convertible 383 has one engine. Oh, high performance engine. It's a nice yellow vehicle. Very nice. Just trying to. Look at that bad boy, a small one. Oh yeah. Oh, the cookies are, Monster's Cookies is in full regalia. We'll go down here. Nice bus. Be careful, a-hole. Won't be speeding down. You want to run somebody over. Oh, yeah, look at that bad boy. Oh, nice. Another nice wagon over there. There's a bunch over here too. It's a never-ending walkthrough. It's non-stop skullduggery. It really is. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, you're okay. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I don't like filming people. I don't have to. Try not to. That's nice. Put the top down, bro. That is 63 or 62 or 62. I don't know. 62. A little smaller. Love the Impalas. If you haven't already noticed. That reminds me of my PT Cruiser. I'd bring those PT Cruiser back. I'd have the trunk come down and put a 6-cylinder in that bad boy. It'd be cool as hell. Dream 57. Nice. Very nice. I love these mirrors right here. V8. Nice. Yeah, so you can just go on and on and on. If I didn't have to be home, I could probably do another 4 more videos and just walk around all over the place. But after a while, it's a nice 4-door. Look at that bad boy. Ooh, he's below. Look at that bad. Very, very nice. Lake Road Customs. Absolutely. I'm gonna go over here a little bit. Not that. Look at this bad boy over here. Look at this convertible right here. Look at that. Jesus.
So you collapse right to the ground, huh?
Nice. Nice. Yeah.
Like a half hour.
Well, I don't think I'm going to see Snow White. Last time I saw her, she's over here. That's a nice one. The Fury right there. That's nice. That is nice. So we'll work our way back over here and get the hell out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed the little series. I don't know, 8th, 9th video here. Something like that. My 409. 409. Very nice. Very nice. These are nice ones. Back to the 50s. That's kind of a cool one. I don't know what the hell one is, but it's interesting. Tempest, nice. Something different. You don't see something like that. A little quiet over here. This car reminds me of the guy on YouTube. I just can't watch because it goes down the road. Of something like this. That's cool. Nice. Little wagons. A lot of these are over original. That's a nice wagon over in the corner over there. This is a nice one over here. You don't see a lot of Mons. Look at those bad boys. Ooh, the yellow one. Nice. That's a Buick. That was the Mons. This not. Buick Special 64. Nice. I think that's like the knockoff version. It's a nice one. 4 doors are gangster. I mean, this reminds me of Hidden Figures. It reminds me of. Yeah. I think Snow White is probably someplace else. Because I've seen her over here before. Last time. Great Impala convertible. This is gorgeous. All kinds of cars down there. And on this gangster car is over here too as well. Down here. Oh. But oh well. Maybe she's someplace else. Maybe she got sold into another state. I don't know. Great vehicle. You go down there. See all kinds of vehicles down there. Galaxy, nice. The old stick Ford Division, Ford motor, look at that. Got 13,000. Nice. Iowa. The milk stand. It's the best, coldest milk around. Anyways. It's a nice convertible. It's classic. Look at that bad boy. Love it. It's a big ass Chrysler. Love that. Look at that. Well, hope you enjoyed the series. I had fun doing it. 1955. Look at that bad boy right there. Very nice. That's a nice one. That interior. Nice. Got the top down, baby. You know damn right. All right. We'll end it here with this bad boy. Hope you enjoyed it. God bless America. We'll see everybody all later. Thanks for the view.